Okay, here we go on that cottage cheese bandwagon. This is a salad dressing you've got to try. Green Goddess made with cottage cheese, half a cup into your blender. That's going to puree it up to be so smooth and creamy. Quarter cup of water, eighth of a teaspoon of salt, eighth of a teaspoon of black pepper, and a teaspoon of mustard. Of course, that bandwagon, right? Then a handful of fresh basil, handful of dill, handful of chives, or any fresh herb you like. The soft ones though, tarragon, parsley, the three I mentioned. Oh, also capers, anchovy, and lemon zest are all great in here. I was just feeling lazy today. You're gonna blend that up, scraping down the sides. Those chives don't want to blend sometimes. Use your strongest setting on the blender. And then here, watch. I'm gonna pour it into this jar so you can see just how thick and creamy this is. That's from that cottage cheese being whipped up. Now, all we need is a great salad to put this on. Any salad's gonna work, really. There's just so much great flavor in here. Look at that. It's pretty too. Okay, go get your cottage cheese and your mustard and jump on this tasty bandwagon with me. Get more taste easy recipes at cookthestory.com.